Dear all, welcome again in Baluch Educare HSC Board Question Bank with solution section number 4, 4.1 History of Novel. दोस्तों, on this section MCQ type question will be asked in the examination. So, for the examination 202 with question bank is available. You will get the link in description box. Solution for prose section, solution for grammar section, solution for mind mapping. All video prepared. You will get the link in description box. So stay tuned with Balush Educare. Let's begin with question number 5A. Complete the activities given below as per the instructions. First one, choose the correct alternatives and rewrite the sentence. 18th century gifted mankind with, and these are the four options. And dosto, correct option is the last one, novel and periodical essays. Next one, fill the blanks by choosing correct alternatives. A novel is relatively dash narrative, and these are the options. Short, long, descriptive, and correct option is long. A novel is relatively long narrative. Next one, English word novel is derived from the Italian word dash. Options are novella, novelli, novellis, and correct option is novella. Third one, Geoffrey Chaucer wrote dash. Options are Morte d'Arthur, The Canterbury Tales, Tale of Genji, and correct option is The Canterbury Tales. Or The Pilgrim's Progress is a novel written by dash, and these are the options: John Bunyan, Afra Van, Daniel Defoe, and correct option is John Bunyan. Fifth, Virginia Woolf. Okay, obviously here will be dash, is the pioneer of stream of conscious novel, and these are the options: Agatha Christie, Jane Austen, Virginia Woolf, and correct option is Virginia Woolf. Sixth, the first Indian English novel, Rajmohan's Wife, was written by, and these are the options: Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, and correct option is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Okay, seventh, Joseph Conrad wrote the novella names as The Heart of Darkness is the correct option from Billy Budd, The Heart of Darkness, and Paul. 8. Science fiction is a game of speculative fiction dealing with dash. Options are futuristic setting, death and decay, earlier period than of writing, and correct option is futuristic setting. Next one, the famous trio of Indian writers, dash, dash, dash. And these are the options. And we know the famous trio of Indian writers, Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, Raja Ram. Next one, chronological order. Write in chronological order. Murasaki Sekubo's Tale of Genji, Greek romances, the appearance of magazines and newspaper, Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales, and chronological order is like this. First one B, A, D, C. दोस्तों एग्जाम में लिखते समय आप correct chronological order you can write in the short format in this way also. Otherwise, you can repeat all the name as it is. Second one, write in chronological order. Industrial Revolution, drama and poetry started fading away. Novel gained popularity. The rise of middle class, and correct chronological order is A, D, B, C. Now just go through in detail. You take the screenshot so it will be more useful for you by heart all these MCQs. Third, given below are some novels, events, and writers of Indian English. Arrange them in chronological order. Chronological order means appearance of first, second, third. Rise of famous Indian trio. B. Nayantara Sehgal, Arun Joshi, Manohar Malgaonkar. C. Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, Kiran Nagarkar. D. Rajamohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. And correct chronological order is D, A, B, C. So D, A, B, C is the correct chronological order. Next, given below are some novels in English literature. Arrange them in the order of their appearance. The Pilgrim's Progress and Puranaku, Eclogues and Morte d'Arthur, Pamela and Gulliver's Travel, The Tale of Genji and Don Quixote, and correct chronological order for this is D, B, A, C. These are alphabet. Accordingly, you can write in your answer sheet. Next, state whether the following sentences are true or false. So, first, novel is recognized as the most dominant literary genre in modern times. True. Second, a novel is relatively a short narrative. False statement. Tale of Genji is described as world's first novel. Answer true. Middle class people had a little interest in romances and tragedy. Answer true. 5. Novel give voice to the aspiration and longings of middle class. Answer true. 6. Novel, the women novelists haven't contributed significantly in English literature. Answer false. Now see the next, state whether following statements are true or false. 7. Novella is greater in length than novel. Answer false. 8. Setting doesn't affect plot or characters. Answer false. 9. The struggle in opposite forces in a story is called conflict. Answer true. 10. The epistolary novel is a series of correspondence, other documents, and diary entries as well, and answer true. These are the 10 questions for true or false. Do it wholeheartedly. Now see the next one. Match the following. Here, more exercise given on match the following. So you can take the screenshot, or if you are the question bank, then keep marking the answers. Okay, column A followed by column B. See column A. The flow of thoughts, the internal life of protagonist, the novel based on the life of the author, the growth of protagonist's mind and spirit and characters. In column B, Billingstone Man novel, stream of consciousness, psychological novel, and the autobiographical novel. And answer is like this. Okay, you can, while writing an answer sheet, you can write answer A, B, 2C, 3D, 4A in this way also. Otherwise, you can write the first thing, the flow of thoughts. The correct option is stream of conscious in this way also. Next, match the following. Column A, theme, plot, conflict, language, style. Column B, philosophical statement, a central idea. B, struggle in between opposite forces. C, techniques of a narration. D, course of the event. And answer for this is 1A, 2D, 3B, and 4C. Match the following. Column A, Agatha Christie, William James, George Eliot, Mary Shelley. Column B, A, stream of conscious. B, crime fiction. C, science-based novels. D, psychological novels. And answer for this 1B, 2A, 3D, and 4C. Exercise on match the following. Column A, Virginia Woolf, Mary Shelley, Frances Burney, Annie Radcliffe. Column B, A, Gothic novel. B, novel of manners. C, science-based novels. D, stream of consciousness. And correct answers are 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. Match the following. Column A, rise of the middle class. The Spirit of Realism and Daniel of Romanticism. 3, novel and periodical essay. 4, the tales of Greek romances. In column B, 18th century literature. B, Industrial Revolution. C, stories of ideal love and adventures. And D, novel as a literary genre. Answer 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. Next, match the following. Column A, the flow of thoughts, the internal life of the protagonist. 3, novel based on life of the author. And 4, the growth of protagonist's mind, spirit, and character. Of column B, a balanced novel, stream of conscious novel, psychological novel, and autobiographical novel. Answers are 1C, 2B, 3D, and 4A. Next, match the following. Column A, Daniel Defoe, Jonathan Swift, Samuel Richardson, John Bunyan. In column B, Gulliver Travels, Robinson Crusoe, The Pilgrim's Progress, and D, Pamela. Answers are 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. Match the following. Column A, the rise of middle class, the spirit of realism and Daniel romanticism, novel and periodical essay, the tales of Greek romances. In column B, 18th century literature. B, Industrial Revolution. C, stories of ideal love and adventures. D, novel as a literary genre. And correct options are 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. Match the following. Column A, picaresque novel, historical novel, allegorical novel, and utopian novel. Column B, bears more than one layers of meaning, speculative fiction, adventurous of an eccentric protagonist, set in earlier period than of writing, and correct options are 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B. Next, match the following. Column A, Thomas Mann, John Steinbeck, Henry James, Joseph Conrad. Column B, The Heart of Darkness, The Turn of the Shrew, Death in Venice, Pearl, and correct answers are 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A. Match the column. Column A, Murasaki Sikubu, novella Don Quixote, Rajmohan's wife. Column B, A, Cervantes, B, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, C, Tale of Genji, D, New. And answers are 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B. Dear friend, match the following. Various examples of match the following is given for the practice. So do it very well. Take it the screenshot or mark it somewhere and by heart it. Next one, C, complete the sentence. 1. The periodical essay and novel are the gift of. These are the options: 18th century, 17th century, 19th century, and correct option is 18th century. Second, a novel is relatively dash, a short narrative fiction, long narrative fiction, a fiction of moderate length, and correct answer is a long narrative fiction. Complete the sentence. 3. The Industrial Revolution gave birth to poor class, middle class, rich class, and Industrial Revolution gave birth to middle class. Is the correct option. 4. Appearance of newspaper in 18th century attracted large number of readers from poor class, middle class, rich class, and correct one is middle class. 5. Rise of novel as a literary genre resulted in lowering the importance of poetry, drama, drama and poetry, and correct answer is drama and poetry. 6. Samuel Rasudi, B.S. Naipaul, Kazuo Ishiguro are Indian authors, immigrant authors, writers of Indian origin, and correct option is immigrant author. And dosto, this is how we need to by heart all this MCQ we suppose going to coming in the examination. So stay tuned with Balush Educare on more solution on question bank for the English subject. Like, comment, share and subscribe.